Okay. So now we will discuss question number 1H type. What quantity must be added, subtracted from each term of the ratio A is to B so that it becomes C is to D. For this we assume, let's assume that we have to add a constant ratio to a constant term. Let's assume that X subtracted must be, we have to find the number which must be subtracted from each term of the ratio A is to B, means from A as well as from B. So let's assume that X must be subtracted from each term of A is to B, means X is subtracted from A and X is subtracted from B. So what will it become when we subtract X from A and X from B? So new ratio becomes A minus X is to B minus X. And according to question, it becomes equal to C is to D. According to question, new ratio equals to C is to D. That is A minus X is to B minus X equals to C is to D. And we know that for two ratios, product of extremes equals to product of means. If two ratios are equal, means product of their extremes equals to product of their means. Means A minus X into D are the extremes equals to means are B minus X into C. And we have to find the value of C, means value of X, as we have assumed that X must be added. X must be subtracted, sorry. X must be subtracted from each term of A to B. Means we have to find X. So make X the subject of formula. We will use that method. For this, expand the bracket A into the AD minus HD equals to B into C, BC minus X into C, CX. Transfer both the terms of X to the same side. This minus CX, when is transferred to left hand side, this minus CX is when transferred to left hand side, it becomes plus CX. Minus DX, XD can be written as DX, equals to BC, and this AD can be transferred to right hand side, it becomes minus AD. Now take X common from these two into C minus D equals to BC minus AD. It implies X equals to BC minus AD over C minus D, which is the answer. Means we must subtract BC minus AD upon C minus D from the ratio A is to B, then it becomes C is to D, which is the question. Like question number I. It is given that in a regiment, the ratio of number of soldiers to the number of officers is 31:3 before a battle. Before a battle, the ratio of number of soldiers to the number of officers is 31:3. In all these types of question, we have to use a common ratio. Let's assume the common ratio in this be X. So let's assume that number of soldiers were 31x and number of officers 3x. Before the battle, it is given that before a battle in a regiment, the number of soldiers to the number of officers is 31:3. So if we assume that number of soldiers were 31x, it means number of officers were 3x. In the battle, 6 officers and 22 soldiers were killed. Means how many remain unkilled? We have to write them. And then the ratio between the number of officers and the number of soldiers then become 1:13. Okay. This time the ratio between number of officers is to number of soldiers is given 1:13. While in first line, the ratio of number of soldiers to the number of officer was given before that. Now the remaining number of soldiers, when 22 soldiers were killed, so remaining number of soldiers equals to, as initially the number of soldiers were 31x and 22 were killed. We write the reason also, 22 were killed in the battle. So it is decreased by 22. So 31x minus 22 is the new number of soldiers, remaining number of soldiers. And at the same time, the remaining number of officers also we will find. We find remaining number of officers equals to, initially there were 3x officers, but according to question, read the question, how many were killed? 6 officers were killed. It is clearly written that 6 officers were killed. So 3x minus 6. You can write the reason. 6 were killed. And the ratio of number of officers after killing means remaining number. Number of officers is to number of soldiers become 1:13. The new ratio becomes 1:13. And number of officers, new number of officers was 31x minus 22. Sorry, number of officers is 3x minus 6. Is to new number of soldiers was 31x minus 22 equals to 1/13. Then after cross multiplying, (13 into 3x minus 6 will be there, equals to 31x minus 22 into 1. Opening the bracket, 13 3s are 39x minus 13 6s are 78 equals to 31x minus 22. It implies 39x minus 31x. Now we transfer this 31x to the left hand side and 78 to the right hand side. 78 minus 22. It implies 39 minus 31, 8x equals to 78 minus 22, 56. It implies x equals to 56 by 8 equals to 7. And we have to find what? Read the question. Find the number of officers and number of soldiers before the battle, which we have already assumed as 31x and 3. So number of soldiers before the battle. So we write number, or you can write like this, before the battle. It's common for both. Number of soldiers were 31x and value of x was 7 we have obtained. That is 270. And number of officers 3x minus 6. Sorry, 3x only. Before the battle, there were 3x only. Na? So we can write 3 into 7. 3 sevens are 21. So before the battle, there were 217 soldiers and 21 officers. Now we can check also if 22 soldiers were killed in the battle. So 217 minus 22, it is 195. Okay. And 6 officers were killed. So total number of officers 21 when 6 killed, 21 minus 6, 15. And if we find the ratio of number of officers to the number of soldiers, 15, 13, 195. So it is 1:13. So our answer is also correct. In this way, you can solve all the questions related to ratio of two terms. Whenever it is given that before the battle, the ratio of number of soldiers to the number of officers is 3x. 31:3. It is given that before the battle, the ratio of number of soldiers to the number of officers is 31:3. In question, it was given. So we can assume that number of soldiers be 31x and number of officers be 3x. We have to take a common ratio. And when 22 soldiers were killed, the remaining number of soldiers 31x minus 22. 6 officers were killed, remaining number of officers 3x minus 6, and their ratio number of officers to the number of soldiers is already given 1:13. So we write number of officers is to number of soldiers is 1:13, and on solving we are getting x equals to 7. And in question we have to find the number of officers and number of soldiers before the battle, which we have assumed as 31x and 3x. So before the battle, number of soldiers 31x, 31 into 7, 217, and number of officers 3x, 370.